What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. So today, EasySMX has yet again sent me another gaming mouse to test out for you guys. And this time it comes in a little bit bigger of a box. This was the last one they sent me. And this one comes in a really big box. So, must have a lot more features to show you guys. And in fact, it does have a lot more features for the really low price you guys are going to pay for it. So, if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I will have another promo code for you guys, so make sure you stick around for that and check the description. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into what this mouse does, and you guys can pretty much make the choice for yourself whether it's a worthy purchase. Let's go. Alright guys, so the good folks over at EasySMX have sent us their ESMBD-01 laser USB gaming mouse. So what does it come with? It has a changeable DPI button that we'll get into here in just a second. It actually comes with a little thing full of changeable weights that actually let you add and remove weights to get whatever feel you want. It does have a CD that includes the software to download the drivers and to switch up your buttons. And speaking of those buttons, there actually are 6 programmable buttons which you can switch to whatever you would like. And it does have a laser sensor that has the 5 DPI settings, which again we will go over here in just a second. This mouse does come with quite a hefty user guide, and it's not because there is an entirely huge amount of features to be listed. It's just mainly because they list it in pretty much every language possible, but it's very cool that they do include everybody in there and they put every single thing that the mouse is capable of on here. Here's a quick look at the little driver disc they do include in the box, and if you're like me and you have no CD drive anymore, don't worry about it. You can just go right to the website and download the drivers and software there. The changeable DPI button is clearly listed on there so you don't ever miss it. And it does change color every time you do change the DPI. So when you're at 400 it's green, 1600 it's red, 5000 it's orange, and all the way up to 8200 where it turns blue. Along with a comfortable ergonomic design, it has rubberized side skirts to ensure a soft and comfortable grip and increased abrasion resistance. It is contoured and allows the mouse to fit in your hands nicely and extend your gaming sessions. And just for a quick reference, here it is next to my Logitech G700S. And as you can see, it does have quite a similar size to it, and it actually has a similar weight, which is a great segue into our next feature, the removable weights that the mouse comes with. These are 4 different removable weights, 1 5 gram and 3 10 grams, and you can customize it to your liking. To access the weights, you simply flip the mouse over, press the little button on the bottom, pull the tray out, and then add or remove as much weight as you see fit. It does come with a fully braided cable, but it does have red accents, so I wish they would have just used black to go better with the camo. All in all, I found it to be a very solid and comfortable mouse to use for many different situations. I actually edited this video and another video using this mouse, and it was very comfortable. I also used it for gaming, which was very comfortable for long extended periods of time, and I didn't have any problems with accuracy or anything like that. And who knows, it may even help you get that elusive chicken dinner that everybody's talking about. Alright, so how do you guys feel about the mouse? Does the whole camo aesthetic kind of make you guys a little mad? Does it kind of put you off a little bit? Or are you guys really into the whole camo aesthetic? Personally, I do like the camo pattern, I've always have, but with this certain mouse, I would probably prefer the black one more because it does come in an actual black look if you check their website. So I would just get that one because it does go with my setup better, but who knows? You guys could have an entirely like camo themed setup and this mouse would work perfect for you. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys like about the mouse, and if you have any questions. I always like seeing the conversations you guys start in the comments. And if you guys like the video, make sure you guys leave a like for me. I always enjoy seeing that. And then if you guys really want to stay up to date on what I put out next, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And with all that out of the way, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Later.